Welcome back to Jamaica Made Me Do It. This is my little spot on the internet where I love chatting about all the wonderful, wild, sometimes totally weird things I've seen throughout 15 years of exploring Jamaica. Today's episode is hands down one of the weirdest. I can almost promise you that you've never seen something like this before. And if you have, I dare you to post a video of it and then link me in the comments because I have to see it. One thing I loved most about living in Jamaica was that an ordinary Tuesday could suddenly turn into the most spectacular thing you've ever seen, and it would turn into a story that you'd be telling for like the next 20 years. On this particular day, the yard maintenance man at my apartment building offered to show me how he makes red pea soup, and then he offered to give me lunch in the process, so I was like, okay, I'm not turning that down. So I took a couple hours break from working and I thought I was about to learn a recipe. But what I actually learned was that Jamaicans will pretty much cook with anything they can pull out of their back pocket. Watch this and wait for it. So sick. So what do you use chicken feet for, the flavor?
Yeah. You give that, you see like how you have the okra, slippery. Just give a kind of slippery.
So you can't get good flavor with any other chicken part?
Yeah, you get to the back or the neck. Any part of the chicken.
Okay.
It all depends on how you season your food, you know?
Okay.
Seasoning is the main part of it.
And that's the pot.
Yeah.
No,
You're interested.
I'm not interested in killing a chicken. That's really disgusting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's fun. Some people use the chicken itself.
The whole chicken?
Yeah.
Tell them how you kill your chickens here. It's not very nice.
It's not very nice. A lot of blood. Splattering all over the place. You're right.
One of my neighbors raised chickens in our yard, and I made sure to be gone on kill days. Before it's done. You can't see them.
I gotta get a block. You go them to teach them, huh?
You're teaching me.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Cooking class.
You see? Right thing for you weather, you see?
What is it like? Coconut? No.
It's like Irish.
Oh, really?
More something like Irish, but a little tougher.
Okay.
Never eat it before?
Never heard of it before.
Joking.
No? Do you use it every time you make red pea soup?
No.
No? Why this time?
I got it on the menu.
I see the chicken feet floating around. I just think
every woman loves cock soup.
I'm sure they do. Oh, that makes it thick.
Yeah. Flavors.
Yeah. And body.
See the color?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes. Definitely.
That rice and peas color?
Yeah.
Mad.
That's the best pot ever.
Telling me. Like you know, want to stick, eh?
You make them so perfect.
If my dumpling don't make look good, me not eat it, you know.
If your dumplings don't look good, you can't eat it?
I'm gonna eat dumplings for anybody. Cause you notice they are not clean, and you know, some people have fingernail and them not clean them. all of them things. I don't carry fingernail.
I notice lots of people here do.
Yeah, them no need dumpling or peeled banana. Telling you.
I see feet. As a Canadian, my first thought wasn't exactly, what a clever cooking method. It was more like, what in the actual tarnation is that? Like, don't you just have a pot you can cook with? What amazed me wasn't just the propane tank, though. It was how completely normal he made this seem, as if he just travels to work with a propane tank strapped to his bike and then stops at any open fire when he gets hungry. Meanwhile, I'm standing there with a camera thinking I've just discovered a new species of barbecue. One thing Jamaica taught me over and over again is that resourcefulness and creativity aren't really the same thing. Resourcefulness is solving a problem. It's when you have a problem to solve and you find something to solve it with. Creativity is looking at an old gas cylinder and seeing a soup pot. This random cooking afternoon happened in 2011. This was like when I moved into my apartment in Ocho in 2011. I've traveled a lot since then, and I've eaten in restaurants, resorts, roadside cookshops, and people's homes. Not once have I ever seen anybody else cook soup inside a propane tank again. You know, people always asked me why I was so stuck on Jamaica and never went anywhere else. It was moments like this, ordinary days that somehow turned into unforgettable stories. And believe me, Jamaica was never short on unforgettable stories. And yes, before you ask, the soup was friggin' delicious, but I just had to scoop around the chicken feet and double up on dumplings. Me not eating a foot. Thank you for watching. I'm Christy, and this is Jamaica Made Me Do It. Please like and subscribe and leave all your comments and do all the YouTubey things that YouTubers do. And we will see you next time here at Jamaica Made Me Do It. Little more.